Today, have a reading practice using basic English words. Let's read. I bought a new pencil. I bought a new pencil. Let's read. He has a toy. He has a toy. Let's read. The table. This red. The table is red. Let's read. Mom closes the door. Mom closes the door. Let's read. I 5 8 basket. I buy a basket. Let's read. The towel. This soft. The towel is soft. Let's read. I have a new phone. I have a new phone. Let's read. The paper. This smooth. The paper is smooth. Let's read. I see a stone. I see a stone. Let's read. I see a blackboard. I see a blackboard. Let's read. I see a bat. I see a bat. Let's read. I have a hat. I have a hat. Let's read. I have an orange cup. I have an orange cup. Let's read. The chair. This expensive. The chair is expensive. Let's read. I have you shoes. I have new shoes. Let's read. I see a blue crayon. I see a blue crayon. Let's read. The kite is colorful. The kite is colorful. Let's read. I smell fresh flowers. I smell fresh flowers. Let's read. The crayon is red. The crayon is red. Let's read. She has a spoon. She has a spoon. Let's read. I have a candle. I have a candle. Let's read. I see a tree. I see a tree. Let's read. The car is red. The car is red. Let's read. The box is square. The box is square. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.